Hey guys, welcome back to Just Like Jackies. Today I'm sharing a special video with you guys about the Olaplex number 3, which I often use, and giving you a little bit of info about their new Olaplex number 0. So you guys have been asking about this, and the Olaplex number 0 is an intensive bond building hair treatment. It says that it's to prime, repair, strengthen, and protects all hair types. The number 3, as you can see, the bottle is like down here. It's like all the way down here. I use it often. And this one is to repair and strengthen all hair types. So if you are new to Olaplex or Olaplex number 3, this is not a protein treatment. This is not a deep conditioner. It's a strengthener and like a bond builder for your hair. It especially works, I think, relatively well on hair that is colored. So if you bleach your hair, if you highlight your hair, if you use color in your hair and you're not really treating it the way that it should be, this is probably your best friend. Any girlfriend that I know that uses this, their hair is like, you know, bleach hair tends to, I'm not gonna say all of it does, but tends to look either dull or it kind of damages your curl pattern or your hair, period, even if you don't curl it. And for the few years that I was bleaching and dyeing my hair often, I wish I would have known about this. But number 0 is what they've created, I guess, now to pretty much make this work, I guess, 10 times better. So I'm gonna be trying it out. I've already used it once, but it was kind of a rush job, so I don't feel like I can give a fair assessment based on that one time. So I'm gonna be doing it with you guys today. A little explanation as to why my hair looks a hot mess right now is this is pretty much my hair after shampooing, and I haven't done anything other than consistently run my fingers through my hair. So this is why when I was a kid, people used to ask me, is your hair curly? Is your hair wavy? Is it straight? I had no real answer because this is what my hair looked like. So I didn't know what to say. I was like, my hair is not straight. It's not curly. It's not wavy. I don't know what it is. I look like I got struck by lightning is really what it looks like. So this is it. This is my hair in its most natural state. So the reason why I have it like this is because this Olaplex number 0 says to apply number 0 to dry hair and saturate from root to tip. So normally, and I think this is also, you're supposed to apply it to dry hair. Actually, it says apply on damp towel dried hair. So forgive me. So Olaplex number 0 actually says to begin on dry hair. But one of my followers made a really good point. If you have curly hair and you normally style your hair with product, trying to put this, and mind you, the bottle is not that big. Olaplex itself, I think this one runs, this number 0 is for the same price as the number 3, which is about $28. And as you can see, it's not a big bottle. It's 5.2 fluid ounces. So trying to apply this to a curly girl's dry hair that has been having product used on it for a few days, if not like me, maybe 7 days, I don't think that's gonna penetrate that well. So one of my followers made a really good point, and she said what she normally does is that she shampoos to get all the product off, and then once her hair fully dries, she applies the number 0. So I was like, you know what? That's a great idea, because I feel like on clean hair, it'll penetrate a lot better. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, so this says apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from root to tip, leave on hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse, and then rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. I've already shampooed, so what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna apply the number 3 and go from there. So I'm just gonna be taking this and kind of just, first thing I notice about this applicator is even though it's, look, even though a little bit is coming out, is it's not like a big hole that it kind of squirts everywhere. It's kind of made to concentrate and apply where you want it to go. So I can really appreciate the way that they made that, you know, for it to be used. So it says to apply from root to tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my root. And my only concern with this is because my hair is longer, to saturate my hair, I feel like I'm going to need a lot. So for $28, I don't know about this. I know the number 3 has actually lasted a lot longer than I thought it would. You know, first impression of number 3 was that it's really not gonna last. But you'd be surprised. With the number 3, it's a cream, but it goes a long way. With the number 0, because it's a liquid, I'm a little concerned since I have to saturate my entire hair. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the rest of my hair and I will check back in when I'm done. So the number 10 is all over my hair, but I don't know if applying it to dry hair is definitely the most cost effective, because after applying it to all of my hair, it's now down here, and this is my second use. So I don't think that the rest of this is gonna give one full application, or maybe it will be one more application after the next time I use it. So for $28, using it 3 times, I guess it's kind of the same as the number 3 if you buy the smaller bottle, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes and then I'll come back and apply the number 3. Okay, so now it's time to move on to our number 3 application. So I'm just gonna put some of these up, the ones I'm not using, and we're gonna get our number 3 going. Again, I've been using number 3 for quite some time. It has not failed me. And even though my hair is virgin, I do feel like I have seen such a major difference in my hair since I've been using it. So it might be worth it for you to give it a try. Number 3, I apply it same way as I would like a leave-in or a conditioner or any styler, really. I go from the root, from the ends, and I work my way up. I especially focus on the ends because the ends are my most porous, and of course our ends, they're the most dead part of our hair. So I always focus on the bottom and I kind of work my way up. Towards the top here, it's always a little bit drier by now. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more, like that much, and work it in. One thing that I do like to do to get an even application on my number 3 is I just comb through so that the product can be distributed evenly everywhere. And then I just go ahead and retwist and continue to do the same thing all over my hair. So this is it, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do the rest of my hair. So now that I'm done applying the number 3 all over my hair, I'm probably going to leave it on for 30 minutes, which is normally what I do, sometimes an hour. And I do an Olaplex number 3 treatment maybe about 1 to 2 times a month to kind of maintain the health of my hair and just the strength of it as well. I really love the number 3, and I want to see how the number 0, if it adds any value specifically for my hair, because my hair is virgin. So I want to see if it makes any difference. So I'm gonna leave this on again about 30 minutes. I'm going to wash, deep condition, style, and all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and give a report about what, if any, changes I do see and if it's worth it. So I'll let you guys know. Okay, so now that I finished washing, styling, and doing my whole diffusing routine, this is what my results look like after pretty much a whole wash day, including using the number 0 and number 3. 2 things that I noticed is this is my second time using the number 0 in addition to the number 3. And for whatever reason, I do feel that every time I use it, my curl is more like relaxed. I'm not gonna say relaxed, like permed, but it's more, it droops down a little bit more. Typically when I do an Olaplex number 3 treatment, I notice that my curl tightens up. So I don't know what this is causing along with this. So more than likely, I won't be using the number 0 on me again, but the number 3 for me remains a favorite, and I will continue to use this because it has definitely maintained the strength in my hair for as long as I've used it. Both of them, again, are $28 each. The Olaplex number 0 is 5.2 fluid ounces, and I got 2 uses out of it, maybe 1 more. And the Olaplex number 3 is 8.5 ounces. Actually, this is their bigger bottle, which is I think like 50 something dollars, but they do have a smaller bottle, which is $28. So this is actually their bigger limited edition bottle. This is not the smaller size, but I'll link it for you in the description box below so that you guys can check out the different sizes and products that they do offer. I won't continue to use the number 0, but I do know somebody that has color treated hair and swears by Olaplex and has tried the number 0, and her hair is like bleach blonde and it's thriving. It looks very juicy. It doesn't look damaged at all, and that is because she credits that to Olaplex. And I asked her if she saw any difference using and adding in the number 0, and she said that the number 0 actually kind of helped the number 3 when it came to her case. So if you have color treated hair, I think the number 0 and the number 3 would actually do wonders for you. I'm going to link Chloe Frizz and Frills, her channel down below so that you guys can check it out. She also did a review on Olaplex number 0 and number 3 so that you guys can get 2 different opinions. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when another video drops. And follow me on Instagram so that you guys can get daily tips and tricks. I'll link that in the description box below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.